the forbidden insight, LSD, and the Nobel Prize-winning discovery of DNA. Francis Crick, the Nobel Prize winner who uncovered DNA's structure, used LSD regularly during that period and later admitted an altered state contributed to his breakthrough vision of the double helix. What if the very foundation of modern genetics began not in the lab but in a psychedelic insight that reshaped science? In this video, we'll trace how that vision connected to his later, radical proposal that DNA itself may have been a deliberate package from beyond Earth. Crick went on to argue that life was too complex to have started here by chance. Instead, he suggested that an advanced civilization may have sent the seeds of life across the cosmos to ensure its survival. His journey began with one haunting question: how could the shape of life itself first reveal itself? Not through instruments, but through the landscape of the mind. For Crick, that haunting question translated into an intense scientific puzzle: the structure of DNA itself. For years, researchers tried to crack it using microscopes and chemical techniques, but the molecule refused to reveal its architecture. The key eluded them, and Crick found himself doubting whether traditional methods alone would ever uncover the solution. Unlike his colleagues, he chose to take an unconventional path. Crick regularly used small doses of LSD, believing that ordinary consciousness might constrain his ability to recognize patterns. According to his own account later in life, it was during one of these altered states that he experienced an extraordinary vision. He described seeing two strands intertwined in symmetry, each base connected to its partner, forming the familiar spiral staircase we now recognize as the double helix. For him, this was not a vague daydream, but a vivid mental image with striking precision. This experience did not immediately convince others. Many within the scientific community saw such methods as unreliable, if not unscientific. Data and instruments, they argued, should be the only basis for truth. Yet Crick pressed forward, and when experimental evidence became available, it confirmed the form he had already pictured. The molecule that carried the essence of life, the genetic code itself, could be described in the terms he had first envisioned under LSD. In the end, his insight aligned with reality in a way that few could ignore. The implications are as unsettling as they are inspiring. If an altered state of consciousness helped reveal the structure of DNA, one of the most profound discoveries in history, what else might such states uncover